measuring pH, most of us think, let's use pH papers. However, there is another tool called a pH meter that can actually help with our research. Before we measure the pH of any liquid, we need to remove the stopper off the end of the electrode. All you have to do is grip firmly with this end and pull. It is very difficult to get it off, and I have to confess, we sort of pushed it off halfway to make the video look a little bit smoother. But when you have to use it, don't be surprised if you have to use a bit of force to get it off. To turn on the meter, you simply push the on-off button. If you notice, an error reading shows up on the digital display. This is normal because it's trying to measure the pH of the air and it's not very successful and it's coming up with an error message. Once you deposit your electrode into the liquid, it will give you a reading. To measure the pH, you simply take the probe and we place it into the liquid so that the end is submerged. This is a slightly acidic solution, so we're getting a pH reading of 3.79, which reflects the acidic nature of the liquid. Now that I'm done with measuring my slightly acidic liquid, I just place the probe over an open beaker and I take some DI water and I pour it over the electrode. I make sure I get some of the liquid into the little circle over there to make sure I get the solution out of that area. And that's how we get a pH measurement using a pH meter. When you're done, you take your dry electrode and you just place it back in the stopper like this, and then you just deposit the electrode in the stand like this, and you are essentially done.